Welcome, Year 8s, my lovely Year 8s, to Proportion Lesson 1. And today we're going to use the MyMaths site as a set of questions, and I'm going to go through every single one of those for you to show you how I would approach those questions. Now, generally speaking, on MyMaths, they change the sort of question numbers around, so I'm not actually doing the actual question for you, but I am doing a lot of very similar ones. So copy down the method I'm using, and then have a go yourselves on the MyMaths. So it starts off, it's very simple questions, simple proportion, toilet rolls are sold in packs of 4. So these are my Fendi brand, and it asks how many toilet rolls are there in 10 packs. So imagine you have 10 packs, 10 lots of 4. Simply put, 10 times 4, 40. Then it says, how many packs would you need to buy to get 52 toilet rolls? That's a lot of toilet rolls. So I need to organise it, and I got to think about how do I share out these 52 in groups of 4. I might have some remainders as well, don't know yet, but I've got to share it. I've got to proportion it out. I've got to divide it out. So I've got to put it into groups of 4. So sharing, dividing. So how many 4s in 52? How many 4s in 5? 1. Remainder 1. How many 4s in 12? 3. So therefore, I'd have 13 packs. Awesome. Next one. Yogurts are sold in packs of 6. The question says, how many yogurts are there in 14 packs? Okay, so I've just got to imagine I've got lots and lots of yogurts. In fact, 6 lots of 14, which comes to 84. And now it says, yogurts are sold in packs of 6. How many packs would you need if you wanted 36 yogurts? Greedy people. If you wanted 36, you're going to have to share out that 36 into groups of 6. There may be a remainder, so I've got to do sharing, divide. How many 6s in 36? Know this one, 6. You need 6 packets and there are no remainders. Okay, question 2, Cornish pasties. Here's the recipe for a Cornish pasty. It's for 4 people. And the information is in the table here. The question asks, what about if I have 12 people? What's the ingredients I need? Well, you've got to think. I'm now going up to 12. What's my multiplier? What have I done to get from 4 to 12? Another way of talking about a multiplier is calling it the scale factor. And the way I like to work out scale factor is I think of new divided by old. The new is 12, the old is 4. If I do 12 divided by 4, that tells me what I must times each of these by to get to these. So I need to work out how many 4s in 12, answer 3. So I times this by 3, this by 3, this by 3, this by 3, and that's the amount of ingredients I now need for 12 people. The last part of this says, well, what happens if I have only 250 grams of beef? So now our new is 250, and our old is 500. So you've got to think, what do I times 500 by to get 250? Kind of confusing. You could halve it or times by 0.5. You see here we have the new over the old. The 250 divided by the 500 gives you a half, which means that you're going to have now half the ingredients, so therefore 6 people. Now, what I want you to do, guys, is go on to MyMaths. There's a proportion introduction question there. Have a go at that, and then some others, and I'll put up some more later on in the week. Nice talking to you. Have a nice day.